this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create hierarchy in Tableau. Hierarchies play a very important role in using the data fields in an organized manner. In the context of data, hierarchies are logical arrangement of data fields. Like geography hierarchy would have country, city, state, and postal code as its level. Or a time hierarchy will have a year, month, week, day as its levels. Let's create our own hierarchy now. We are using sample superstore data, which we also used in our measures and dimensions video. As you can see in this data set, there are various geographical fields like city, country. So let's create a geography hierarchy. To create hierarchy, we need to select a data field and drag it on top of the other data field and drop it. A pop-up will appear. In this, you can give a name to your hierarchy, like let's give it the name location. Click OK. So you can see a hierarchy is created with the name location. Now you can drag and drop other data fields in this hierarchy, like city. Let's put postal code. Here you can create levels. So postal code will come after city. So country, state, city, and postal code. These are the levels of our hierarchy. If we want to visualize it on our sheet, we can drag it on the sheet. Here you can view only country because it's the top level of the hierarchy. You can click on this plus icon and you can drill down to the next level of our hierarchy, which is state. You can click on this plus icon again and it's the next level, which is city. Cities are showing, and so on. You can also drill up by clicking the minus sign. Let's create one more hierarchy. In this data set, category and subcategory are related, so we can create a hierarchy for category and subcategory. We can drag it over the top of it. Let's keep the name as it is, and the hierarchy is created. To visualize it on the sheet, we can double click on it and categories from our hierarchy are showing on the sheet. You can click on this plus icon to drill down to the subcategories and you can drill up. But you can see that it is not showing any number here. That's because we haven't used any measure. To understand it better, you can watch our measures and dimensions video in the description box below. Now let's use the measure profit and drag it here. Now you can see the bars are showing for categories only. If we click on this, you can see the bars for subcategories also. So it's drill up and drill down. You can do it from here. If you want to remove this hierarchy, you can go on the name of the hierarchy and right click on it. So here are few options like rename, remove hierarchy, and some other features. So let's remove the hierarchy. The hierarchy will be removed. If you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.